Welcome again to our Ansible series, and we're going to continue again our what we left off with our lesson, and perhaps we have a lot of weeks that we never follow up these lessons that we have. Anyway, so yung ating gagawin po natin ngayon is yung lesson for the role, okay? And of course, if you remember, may mga several of our example sa lesson po natin ay gumagamit na po tayo ng role dito. So, what is typically role sa Ansible? Ano po yung use niya talaga, okay? So, bali po dito, ang sinasabi po dito is ang role sa Ansible is to organize and reuse your automation tasks. So instead na you're writing a long, a messy playbook, you can break into smaller and reusable component. Okay? Para na siyang module. Okay? And imagine na meron po tayong configure na web server instead of having one playbook. So you can create a role like Nginx na install and config Nginx, and then config din natin yung ating firewall, manage firewall, and user create system, etc. Mga ganun siya, guys. So why use Ansible role? Again, it can be reusability, better organization, scalability, and of course, guys, dahil binreak down po natin siya into modules, at kung may error siya specifically for one task, check po natin yung ating mga role natin. Okay? And this is our lesson 6. Ito po yung ating nasa loob ngayon. Ito po yung role natin. At ang gagawin ko dito sa ang ginawa po natin dito sa Ansible role playbook po natin ay meron po tayong role na which is install Apache and install Nginx. So if you're going to go back, look inside sa roles po natin. Itong Apache, meron po siyang task na folder, and then ang sa loob po nito is yung mga task po natin. Okay? Meron po siyang he going to install yung HTTPD, Lite HTTPD natin, and then could be state latest, and then upload niya, i-update po niya. And then until na matatapos niya daw, so he will open the the lightweight PDF configuration. Config niya itong line ng server port, okay? Pag nakita niya to, so papalitan niya tong 9090, okay? And then he going to restart. So ito po yung sa Apache. Well, sa kan naman po natin, so I'm going to demo it with you guys on how to use it. So before we do that, going to if we go before we going to Nginx, we're going to comment out first yung ating Nginx was. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo ano po yung itsura niya. So typically ganun lang siya, guys, yung ating ah, sa loob ng ating task, okay? So ito po yung ating command to play. So we need to copy this para ma-check po natin. Okay? But I observe ngayon may mga additional na line dito or parameter dito. I'm going to install it. Okay? Hi, we're going to run it. So ito siya, guys. Okay, so probably let me ping first yung server natin. So wala siya, guys. Normally, ang error po nito is so dapat meron tayong nakaset up to siya guys 168 I think 2. Let me check first yung ating server natin. IP add uh, 220, okay. And then I'm going to server local dot and then web server. Okay. Up, up. Yan. So I'm going to X. Ping natin siya first. So pag mga ganito guys, we need to diagnose. Normally, ang error nito is nasa hindi nakaset ang ating IP. So if you're going to ping the web server, ayan, adjust natin yung web server natin. Dapat check rin natin to pag nakakonect siya. Okay. Okay. So nakakonect siya guys. Detach ko siya. And then, balik natin. Yan. So, if you notice, ito yung ating role natin na nakita po natin dito. Okay? Install Apache. And then, okay na siya. Okay? Pag chinek natin dito sa ating server, yan. May lightweight, light HTTPD na tayo. Okay? And then, sa ating install Apache naman, install Nginx, na role po natin, ito lang po yung itsura niya, is meron basically po tayong same pa rin na may task, may main siya, at meron pa tayong message na YAML and packages. If you're going to dig deeper here, uh, naka-import na lang. Okay? So, you see how neat yung ating playbook pag ginawa natin siyang as a modular type. Okay? I-import na lang natin. Okay? At nandun na lahat yung mga task natin, okay? Or yung mga play natin, okay? So, dito, meron po tayong set messages, which is ang nasa loob po nito, ang i-declare niya, ang ilalagay niya dito sa index natin is yung nasa var natin, okay? Na dineclare po natin na variable, okay? So, if you remember variable, guys, so ito yun, guys. So, and then, packages.
dito sa ating next na task natin is you're going to install any packages sa ating required sa ating Nginx like Nginx, Git, curl, and then mag-update siya. Okay? So going back here, uh, uncomment ko na lang sila lahat for to you to look what's the difference. Pero yung itsura niya, pero same pa rin nung how they run. Okay. Run ko siya ulit, guys. So actually, bypass niya yung Apache because he's already installing it, yung Apache. But i-install yung ating Nginx, okay? Yan. Dito na siya sa install required, which is sa Nginx na yun siya, guys. Okay? So change na siya, guys. And then he'll going to restart. Okay? Medyo nag-fail lang tayo dito. But you see guys, the difference on how we're going to use isang playbook sa isang file ng YAML versus modular type na kan po natin na playbook po natin. So, malinis siya tingnan, okay? Check na lang din natin since nag-error na din siya, but nevertheless, it's running naman. Meron na rin tayong Nginx dito na naka-install. Okay? So that would be it, guys. So ating sa ating lessons for the roles. Basic lang talaga siya, guys, for this lessons. So I hope that these lessons will help you guys uh, how the role very important sa uh, ating Ansible na topic, guys. Okay? So I'll see you in the next lesson.